Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, well, someone asked me to talk about what people hate the most about Windows 11. Why is Windows 11 not getting love from a lot of people? That same user actually likes Windows 11, and he says he's been happy ever since the upgrade, and also wants to have my opinion of what I think is, good or bad about Windows 11. So what I'll do is I'll do two videos so that they aren't too long. The first one here is, what do people hate about Windows 11? Well, of course, the first thing that people hate the most is the minimum requirements. A lot of people are left out or feel like they're left out. Unfortunately, there's a subset of these people that don't actually understand that their PC would run Windows 11. But what happens is that they have to turn on TBM, for example, stuff like that. Some have Secure Boot turned off also, and would run fine Windows 11 if they just knew how to do that. And you can't ask, standard, just average Windows users to do that. It's not what should be. And that is a problem, definitely. So the minimum requirements, of course, being the main problem. The default apps that aren't that easy to change is also creating a lot of problems. Now, Microsoft has changed the default apps for browser at least, so that the browser isn't too difficult to change the default apps. So if you go here and you find, a browser, they have made it a little easier with set default. Problem is, it's pretty much the only app, and it doesn't do it on everything it should do, basically. So what happens is that the apps and the default apps are kind of difficult to really make default. So that's one of the things that also people hate about it. The Microsoft account sign-in, that is one that's been there since Windows 10, actually. Why do I need a Microsoft account? Absolutely, to sign in to my Windows 11. This is another thing that people hate. Start menu, kind of a start menu that is less than what Windows 10 has, so you can't move the taskbar, and Microsoft doesn't seem to want to change that. The fact that all the menu is on the task manager, for example, you have to right-click the start button rather than anywhere in the taskbar. Not easy to customize like Windows 10, although some features are coming, including the drag and drop is going to be there. So things like that people don't like. The push to Edge everywhere, and kind of push to Bing everywhere also in the different functionalities are also something that people hate in Windows 11, basically. So sorry about my voice, but I have a little raspy voice. So these are little things that people just don't like about it. If you have a tablet, you probably will find that it's kind of not as good on tablet mode as Windows 10, although there are some fixes coming, and that is something that's going to happen eventually. So, these are all little things that people hate. This is why a lot of people aren't going to Windows 11 also, and that's why a lot of people kind of like Windows 10 and wish that Windows 10 will stay for quite a long time before they have to change. So lots of little things that, Microsoft, of course, needs to think about it and address the situation. If people aren't happy with different things, there needs to be, of course, an examination of all of the features and see what can be made better. So this is part of why people hate Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.